Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't been here before, my name is Vanessa and I do makeup videos, just videos that I feel like would help people and just everyday women like me. Today's videos I get ready with me and I show you how I get ready for work, and I do this super simple eye makeup, face makeup, and my hair is blown out thanks to my wonderful mother. Oh, you want to talk about mothers? The products that I use in this video are just products that I use like almost every day. I never use products that I don't use every day. Like everything that I use to achieve this face I either love or have recently gotten, and I am obsessed with it. If you guys like this look and want to know how I got it, keep on watching and like and subscribe. So I'm gonna be getting ready for work. I already did my eyebrows, as you can tell. Recently bought the PIXI Glow Tonic. I have like a little pink light behind me, but I feel like I'm blocking it. I don't know, I'm just trying it out. I've been trying. I wanted to buy the Glow Tonic forever ago, but I just never did because I don't know. I just never did. Anything with glow, I'm just like, I need it. So I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal Imperfect. I'm in the shade Creamy Vanilla. As you can see, I love this foundation. I already have a backup waiting for me. What is this dot? It's itchy. Anyways, I'm going to apply this, and I'm going to be using the little pump thing because I am running out. I'm going to be using this small concealer brush just to apply it around my face. I don't know why I just got that random dot on my face. This is one of my favorite kabuki brushes, Morphe Y6, and it's a flat top kabuki. It's not too stiff, so yeah. And the same thing that you would do with the same thing you would do with the beauty blender, you do with the brush. A good thing to prevent foundation lips also is moisturizing them before you apply concealer, and like exfoliate and like moisturize. After that, I see that my foundation is the coverage that I want. I go in with a beauty blender and I just bounce it on my face. I know I didn't blend this part out. I know if I was watching this video it would drive me insane, but I'm gonna blend that out with the beauty blender because I can get more precise. I've been loving these three concealers, the Born This Way and the Shape Tape and the Kyile. I've been loving them so much. When I use on my face, like when I feel like the foundation hasn't covered enough, I'm gonna be using the Kyile Skin Concealer in Bone. I love this concealer. It's honestly, I think it's one of my favorite products that she has released. If you can see, it is kind of pinky, like a peach. I use it because I do have like dark under eye circles, so I'm trying to conceal them in the best way. There we go. And then this is kind of more my skin, so I mix this with that, and it looks really good. I'm gonna go back with my handy dandy concealing brush and mixing. I like spraying my beauty blender a little. really hope I'm on time, because I'm known to be late to things. I'm gonna be using the I'm gonna be using the Park Ave Princess palette by Tarte. This palette is gorgeous, and it has pretty good contouring shades on there. I'm gonna be using Enhanced. It's a yellowy, it's like a yellowish, like a light yellow. Not really yellow, but it's like light. Okay, I'm gonna be using this Y1 Morphe brush. I just washed this brush yesterday. Are you kidding me? Did you guys see that? I'm gonna have to vacuum after this. So shitty. Yeah, I don't like this brush at all. I'm gonna be using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I like this bronzer, but I think I picked a really dark color. It is in the color Deep. It smells like coconuts and like Hawaii. I've never been to Hawaii, but I feel like this is what it would smell like. Yeah, I usually cream contour, but I'm just not going to today, and I'm gonna bronze my face with this. I don't like this brush. It's itchy too. I'm pretty sure it's like goat hair. And I don't like using brushes that are like from animals. I bought that brush before I even knew. Okay, now for contouring, using Park Ave Princess again. And I'm using Angle. They have a lot of bronzing shades, but I'm going to be using this one right here. I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D translucent powder. I do like this powder because I feel like it gives my face like a glow, like a shine. I don't know. I don't know. I just bought it because I bought this I think I bought it like a couple months back. But I bought it because I feel like powder, like you have to use a really good powder, because like that's what you like. It's gonna, I don't know, you just need a really good powder, because cream and powder, like, it's tricky. So finding a good powder is essential to me. I freaking love this palette. Oh my god, it already has like stuff on it, but I love this palette so much. This is like a perfect palette to travel with. It has like shades for... While editing this video, I realized that I never recorded my eye look. Literally, never recorded it. I only recorded the last step, which I'm just figuring it out right now as I'm editing. It makes me so mad. So here's the rest of the video. I'm so freaking sorry. Canon, fix this problem. If the camera stops, make the camera make a beep, a sound, something. So since my camera wasn't rolling for my eye look, I will tell you the colors I used. I used orange soda, and then burnt orange, and then tempura. Anyways, I'm gonna use the ink liner waterproof. It's not waterproof. Like, I don't think it is. I don't know. Ink liner Trooper in the color Trooper. I'm just gonna use this to like line, but I'm not gonna be doing a wing. That's what I say all the time, and then I end up with a humongous wing. I got this eyelash curler at like Sally's Beauty, and I bought it because it said like best eyelash curler or something. It is really good. I'm gonna apply the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara by Hourglass. It's not like a favorite. I like drier mascaras. This mascara is very wet. Use orange soda and burnt orange on my lower. I'm gonna mix them together. I'm gonna apply them right here. And I'm gonna be using Worth the Hype underneath my, on my lower lash line. Does the light keep changing? Yeah, light's definitely changing. I really like this eyeliner. This is by NYX and it's their collection called like Faux Whites right there. It's in the color Flesh. No, in the color Linen. It's this baby pink and I love it for right here underneath my eyes for my waterline. What am I saying? So it's not like a harsh white, if you guys can see. It's not a harsh white, but it's like a baby pink and it really opens up your eyes. I'm just baking right now. I'm gonna go charge my camera and I might blow dry my hair. I haven't used heat on my hair in a long time actually, but I might just do it just because I have a little bit of extra time. And I'll be back with a charged camera. This is Mellow Wine by Wet n Wild. It's a super nice like orangey color. Orangey, it's like orange. It reminds me of NARS Orgasm kind of, just without all the different shimmers and glitters in it. I'm gonna use this blush brush and just apply. So once I'm done with my face makeup, I'm not gonna apply this. Why did my eye doctor call me? Wait, let's play this voicemail.
Oh, this is Millennium Eye Care. Calling to remind Vanessa that it is time to schedule your next appointment.
Oh.
Please call us at 732-462-8707 to reserve your appointment time. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna spray this as I love this. I love this setting spray. It feels like, just feels amazing and I love it. I'm gonna apply some highlighter. Like once that starts to dry down, I'm gonna apply highlighter. My favorite highlighter at the moment is this Dose of Colors highlighter. It's something super natural. It's not like whoa, you're wearing highlighter. It just looks like a glow from within. I'm just gonna apply super subtly right here and then right there. Oh, and I put some on my inner corner too. Just so I look like I didn't wake up at 5 o'clock this morning. If you guys have not tried the LA Girl lip liners, you need to go try them. My local CVS right now is carrying them, so I was like LA Girl has never let me down, so that's why I was like, I gotta try it. And I'm gonna be using this MAC pencil sharpener. You need a nice sharp pencil so your lips look nice and sharp. I'm gonna be using Dose of Colors lipstick, and this is in the color Hey Girl. I'm gonna be using Buxom. I'm gonna use this over my lips. Like when you wear Invisalign, like it's so hard to like do stuff with your lips because you'll talk and you'll go like this and like it'll smear on the Invisalign. Anyways, I really like that lip gloss because it's like minty. This is the finished product of my get ready with me. I'm about to go to this annoying meeting and I just want to fall asleep. Hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys subscribe and like the video and leave a comment.